Daddy's recording
I'm
today,
recording.
and we thought we would show you how to draw Pete the cat. Skylar picked out this book to read to you guys, and we thought we would show you how to draw Mr. Pete. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, the first step in drawing Pete is giving him two pointy ears up here at the top of the page. Okay, and you want to connect his ears with the line.
Just gonna move that big noggin, please.
Okay, now we're gonna go on the outside of his ear and draw a line down to the side of his face, and on the other side. Okay, and then connect him for his chin.
Look at my daddy.
Okay, now we're gonna draw his body. He's gonna get a long, skinny body, go almost to the bottom of the page.
Whoa!
Okay, and two legs, like that. Okay, and you're gonna connect his leg with a little foot on each side. Okay, ready to draw his face? All right, Pete gets a triangle nose.
Hey, Mommy, can I do it up like that?
Yep, yep, it's your picture. Okay, and he's got big cat eyes. Big cat eyes. Okay, you're gonna put a circle in there and one more. And the same on the other side. Okay, and if you find his nose and go straight across, give him some whiskers. Okay, now we're gonna color. Okay friends, these are our Pete the Cats, and make sure you send your Pete the Cat to us. Hope you have fun. Bye.